All right, so good news. The microphone works very well. So when I get home, I'm gonna give it a shout out for motorcycles. So that works very, very well. I gotta get gas, and then we're going home. But of course, I had to stop here. My buddy couldn't hang out. He's putting his kids to bed. So we stopped here. He lives right by it. Might as well see how she's doing. Oh, here comes a plane. Here. They have the National Guard, or no, I forgot what that is. But they're drilling stuff over there. Oh, this will be cool. I'll go slow. So I can't go that way, basically. See if I get a good view. Right down the, oh, a little bouncy. All right, he's all the way down. Right down the wind is right down the runway. Oh, he got it to the first one. Must be getting fuel. All right, I will see you guys on the highway now that I know that this microphone can handle the wind and is capable of it. All right, let's roll. We're taking the highway home. I got the visor up. These wind things open. Let's focus here. My blinker on. There's a truck. It's scaring me. I think it was like $40, so you can't go wrong with that. All right, let's check this microphone out now. I'm going what, 65, 70? Test. we made it. Safe and sound. All right, we made it back. Successful ride. This thing is always a successful ride. A lot of comfort. Good brakes. Got ABS brakes in the front. Big engine, enough power when you're on the highway to get up there. I got to get a new one of these. This broke, but no complaints when, you know, this thing runs. This thing runs good. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.